Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed VRML, X3D browser and plugins. Now in this video we will learn about 3D environment using Java. So let's start. Java 3D offers several features for developing 3D applications like their behavior, fog, geometry, light, sound and texture. For working with Java language, we required Java 3D API like J2 SDK, OpenGL or Direct3D, and Java extension and utility package. The applications of Java 3Ds are we can use it for scientific visualization, animations, web designing, simulations, virtual world construction, training, games, design automations. 3D scenes with Java. These scenes picture rendered with Java 3D, also called virtual universe. Here we use class virtual universe. It described by scene graphs. It contains branch graph. Java 3D scene graph model can be like this. First, virtual universe object, then it shows local object, then branch group nodes, then transform group nodes, and at leaf shape 3D nodes which represent appearance and geometry. So it graph model consists virtual universe to contain all 3D data, simple universe, local objects. In viewing, it describes how to view 3D content, multiple views per universe and view platform. Content branch, it describes the 3D content. The Java 3D render, canvas 3D surface onto which a view renders one canvas for per view, and there may be multiple canvas per app. For Java, to include the package, we write javax.media.j3d package. These are the classes which include in Java 3D: branch group, switch, transform group. Leaf classes are behavior, light, shape 3D, view platform, and partial list of Java 3D node component classes are appearance, material, and textures. To include this in program, suppose if we want to include any node, then we write first javax.media.j3d.node. Node may be shape, group, sound, light, etc. It may be parent node. Location may be local, and bounding volume may be automatical computation. In node component, we include their node attributes, shape, geometry, appearance, textures, etc. And to include math package, we write in Java 3D javax.vec math package, which include different vectors parameters, colors, etc. In Java 3D, the coordinate systems may be right-handed, and we consider plus x for right, plus y for up, and plus z towards the viewer. Angles consider in radians and distance consider in meters. The elements in geometries are coordinates, normal, colors, and texture coordinates. The classes of nodes, basically four type of classes: shape, geometry. In geometry, we consider appearance, then transformation, light, and group. To represent shape describing object, we write java x.media.j3d.shape3d. For geometry, we write void set geometry and geometry parameters. For appearance, we write void set appearance. Here we can see, after including geometry, if we want to include node component, so we write java.x media.j3d, and if we want to include text, then we write .text3d. For appearance, we write here java x.media.j3d.appearance and their parameter values, which is called node component. To specify how to render geometry sibling, it represents color, shading, transparency, line, point, polygon attributes, rendering control, and texture mapping. For the texture mapping, texture 2D and texture parameters and node components include loader. It creates scene graph element from a file. To include loader or to write in Java, we write like com.sun.j3d.loaders. Loaders for only the interface include in Java 3D. The uses are import loader. We can import loader, create loader object, scene variable, load file, and insert scene into the scene graph. The available loaders are 3ds, COB, DEM, DXF, IOB, LWS, NFF, etc. Transforming in word coordinate system, we create new coordinate system relative to parent. Transformation accumulate as graph is traversed. The transformation 3D objects, it may be 4 by 4 matrix of doubles. We write matrix 4D. It must be affine. We perform different transformation like translate, rotate, scale, sharing. The affine transformation, it should not be perspective. For generating lighting effects, we write in Java 3D javax.media.j3d.light. Types of light may be ambient, directional, point, spot, and the light attributes are on, off, colors, bounding volume, scope. For grouping exactly one parent arbitrary children's, we write for include a group in Java javax.media.j3d.group and then node. For the branch group can be attached to local. It makes it live, constraints by capabilities. It can be compiled. The customer behavior for program defined behavior, extension of utility behavior classes, the examples of collision detections, navigations, position checking. To include behavior in Java, we write javax.media.j3d.behavior. A code can be run. To include interpolators, we write javax.media.j3d.interpolator. Simple behavior of interpolator is it vary a parameter from starting to ending value, time to alpha mapping, and alpha to value mapping. Interpolator are maybe position on interpolator, rotation on interpolator, and color interpolator. Input devices, we can use joystick, 6DOF, buttons, reals, or virtuals. To include input device interface, we write in Java javax.media.j3d.input device interface, and for including sensor, we write javax.media.j3d.sensors. To include sound effects, we write in Java, javax.media.j3d.sound. Sound properties may be AIF, AU, WAV. For background, to include background effect, we write in Java, javax.media.j3d.background. And for fog effect like exponential linear, we write in Java, javax.media.j3d.fog. So this is all over the video. Thank you.